What is a PDF? Whether designing your resume or making a magazine, you'll want to know about PDFs and how to make one yourself. The Portable Document Format, or PDF, is a free open standard file format. In simpler terms, it's a file type that can be created in a number of programs and open on pretty much any device. This has its advantages. You can create a PDF in Photoshop, Illustrator, or even Google Docs. Since this file format saves your colors, fonts, and layouts, your PDF will look the same no matter what program or device is used to open it. Pretty sweet, right? It's the perfect document type for sharing online. PDFs are also super versatile. Use them for text, images, forms, video, and a whole lot more. You can even sign them electronically. Once you start using PDFs, you won't want to use anything else for sharing. Are you making a flyer, ebook, or CV? You can turn any of these into a PDF if you're using the right program. For example, when saving your project in Microsoft Word or Apple Pages, just go to File, Print, then Save to PDF. If you're working in InDesign, click File, then Export, Format, then Adobe PDF. It's actually really easy. Speaking of easy, creating your projects with InDesign is a whole lot easier if you use a template from Envato Elements. You can save them as shareable PDF files and save design time with professional layouts. From portfolios to newsletters, you'll find an InDesign template worth sharing from Envato Elements. With a subscription, you can use any of these templates, plus fonts and photos from the full Envato Elements library. Do you want to learn more about PDFs? Check the link in the description for more resources. You'll also find links to the InDesign templates shown here. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.